Well, good news out of the I am Samani flock. I am getting 2 to 3 eggs a day, and we are just filling up cartons of them. So we will have some for sale. I might even hatch some myself. I first want to take pictures of Mom and Dad so we know what we have here. And then the rest of my hatching endeavors, we are on day 15 today. I didn't even get to candle them on 12 because I was so busy. So we've got in here, we have the Swedish flower hens and some I am Samani, 6 of each. I'm going to go candle those today and sort out what we have that's fertile. Then, oops, here we go to the big incubator. What we have in here, these are also on day 15. They're all in sync. But what I have done with this, because we have different kinds of birds in here, we will have the birds on a 30-day up on top, like the turkeys, the Guinea Fowl, and the peacocks. And then on the bottom, we have the I am Samanis, the rest of those, Swedish flower hens, and silky cochin mixes. And they're all hatching on the same day, and that would be, I can take those out then, and they would still be, the ones on the top still won't be on lockdown, so it will be safe to take those at the bottom out when they're hatching. And I can carry on with the hatching for the Guinea Fowl, the Peacock, and the turkeys on top. We should be just good to go. We have about 5 days in between the two, or more, actually 9 days on some of them. So I will candle some, and we'll see how they look. So with the I am Samani eggs that I've collected over the last 5-6 days, I'm just keeping them in my master bathroom in one of the sinks that I don't really use. And a few times a day I will just come and turn them the other way. And then I will turn them this way. And then obviously the other way. That way they're clearly rotated. Always nicely rotated. I normally do this with 2 hands, but there you go. That way we know that they're being rotated. Do that about 3 to 4 times a day. And keeps them from sticking to the shell while I'm waiting on the incubator.